nail friend, it's Queenie. Welcome to today's video. I've been receiving a lot of questions regarding reverse stamping techniques, so I thought I would go back to basics today and show you how you can make this adorable reverse stamped pink leopard animal print nail set in under 5 minutes. If you are brand new to nail stamping, or if you're looking to up your game a little bit, you have found the right video. As always, throughout the video, I will be giving a lot of tips and tricks for nail stamping and of course, reverse stamping. If you don't have a leopard print stamping plate, don't worry. You can use any stamping plate that you have on hand. All you need is 2 complementary colors, a black stamping polish, and a little imagination. Let's get started. All of the polishes in today's video are regular polishes, no gels. This LA Colors Color in Posh says it's gel, but it's not. So I went through and I put on 2 coats of that absolutely gorgeous bright pink color. And then this is the Moyu London Animal Collection 18 stamping plate and the Maniology Straight Up Black B171 stamping polish. The trick to really crisp, clear lines for stamping is to use a lot of polish. A lot of people don't realize how much they really need to use to get into every single one of those little nooks and crannies on a stamping plate. And even then, it still can be really difficult. Once I get my stamping design onto the stamper, I then go through and take off. Oh, that was satisfying. I go through and take off all the little bits. And then for the complementary fill color, I use the Sally Hansen Engagement Bling. And then to fill it in, I use my Orly Dotter tool. I decided to not use all stamping polishes because I know most people that are just starting out don't have a large arsenal of different stamping polishes. So I did want to show you that you can stamp with regular polish, and this glitter polish from Sally Hansen works really, really well. So your next step is to take a lot of polish on each pickup and pop that into all of the open little spaces inside the print. Make sure that you use a lot of polish, because if you don't, every time you touch the stamper, if your dotting tool is not wet with a lot of polish, you run the risk of lifting your design right off the stamp. Once you've completed filling in your design, you want to set it aside for about a minute and let everything dry down. Then take your Maniology Sticky Base Coat, that's the one I use and the one I recommend. Put a very thin coat across the whole nail since this is a full nail design, and don't forget to cap the free edge. Then press straight down onto the nail and roll away from you. You will be very surprised at how great this technique works. Then just tuck all those little bits underneath. Once they're completely dried, they will just flake off. Then you want to grab a smudge-free top coat like this one from Maniology. It's a water-based top coat and it will not smear your stamping design. So then I am doing the next nail and putting some top coat on that one as well, and it just looks so pretty, I think. Then for the index finger and the pinky, I grabbed the filler color, the Engagement Bling, and put 2 coats of that on each one of those nails. And oh, it looks so pretty. And then the Essie Good to Go Quick Dry Top Coat is my all-time favorite top coat for regular polish. I just love it so much. So here's what the design looks like all finished with a glossy finish on the leopard nails. So, so pretty. Just fun and bright and pretty, and I just really like it a lot. But you know how much I love trying out matte top coat. So I grabbed my OPI matte top coat and popped a coat of that on the ring finger and the middle fingernail. Just the leopard print I thought would look really, really fun in a matte while keeping that fun index finger glossy look and pinky finger glossy look. I just really liked it a lot. So there's how it looks matte. So pretty. It just makes that leopard print pop. So I hope you really enjoyed this video today, and I hope that I was helpful with some of my tips and tricks. Leave me a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. Bye!